In the deserts of Arabia, a hide becomes a $5,000 legacy. It begins not in a factory, but on the back of a ship of the desert, delivering emotional context and the origin story of the material.
From the arid farms of Rajasthan to the UAE, every hide carries a journey establishing earthy authenticity and rural roots.
Respecting the animal, we take only what nature offers.
The raw camel hide, tough, fibrous, full of desert memory, presenting the gritty reality and the start.
Immediately salted to cure. No decay, only preservation. A 200-kilometer journey to the tannery in Dubai. The metal gate closing signals the end of the farm chapter,
Where raw hide meets chemistry and centuries of craft.
rehydration and unhairing. 12 hours of relentless motion, establishing the industrial rhythm and scale.
The flesh side is cleaned, only pure dermis remains, capturing meditative precision and focused craftsmanship, where the blade moves across the hide.
Splitting the top grain will become luxury and the rest becomes suede.
40 days of natural infusion, no chrome, no harshness, revealing the artisan soul of traditional tanning.
Rich earth tones, the palette of the desert night, creating visceral saturation and deep color impact.
Air-dried for 72 hours, every fiber sets into supple strength.
Staking mechanically breaks fibers. The hide learns to bend, demonstrating the tactile transformation of the metal, where the pins punch into the leather thousands of times per minute.
Ironing and plating the grain reveals its natural luster, presenting the polished reward after mechanical processing.
Thousands. Only the top 20% become luxury. Every scar tells a story, but only perfect hides proceed.
Now the true transformation begins, from hide to heirloom, building anticipation for the final crafting stages.
Every bag starts as a digital blueprint, cut with millimeter precision. Hydraulic die cutting, one press, 20 perfect pieces, demonstrating power efficiency and industrial precision.
Edges beveled by hand, no roughness, only grace. Burnishing seals the fiber from raw to radiant, creating a hypnotic transformation of the leather edge.
Now the soul of the bag, the stitch line, establishing quiet focus before the sewing begins.
Every seam quadruple stitched won't break in a sandstorm, providing durability reassurance and quality promise.
Metal corners, a nod to camel saddles of the old world, connecting heritage design with modern functionality, where the back stitch reinforces the corner. Synthetic lining, hidden luxury, tear-resistant and plush, revealing unexpected softness inside a rugged exterior. Brass zippers from Italy, each tooth tested 5,000 times, providing mechanical assurance and component quality.
Sealed in place smooth as desert glass, delivering satisfying precision in the zipper installation.
Its nickel snaps. They close with a sound of finality, creating audible quality in every closure. The metal components meet and compress with a sharp
Handles saddle stitched, because a luxury bag must be held, not carried, demonstrating old-world skill and tactile craftsmanship. Solid brass rings, they will outlive us, communicating permanent craftsmanship and lasting quality, where the handle rings are solid brass circles that have been forged and polished. Base where structure meets form, giving the assembly process an architectural feel, where the glue is spread in a thin, even layer over the bottom panel edges.
Then, the magic moment, the bag is born.
Every metal surface polished, the jewel of the bag, delivering luxury sheen and final detailing. Under 10 times magnification, a single flaw rejects the piece, demonstrating rigorous trust and quality control.
Stamped with origin pride of the desert, delivering ownership sentiment and final identity.
But the camel hide does not stop at. Bags meet the jacket, showing product variety and the versatility of the material.
Jacket seams triple chain stitched, built for wind and wear, demonstrating rugged elegance.
Satin lining glides over a thobe or kaftan, effortless layering, bringing cultural relevance and practical comfort to the design.
Belts, the simplest, strongest expression of camel hide, presenting minimalist power and pure material beauty.
Solid brass buckle will patina like old coins, offering timeless utility and the beauty of natural aging. The brass buckle has a central bar and a prong. From one hide, a family of luxury carryware defined, delivering complete collection satisfaction and product family cohesion.
Children. Each piece sleeps in its own dust bag, ready for its owner, creating a ritual of care and presentation.
Not a factory exit, an entrance to a new life.
The touch is the truth. Warm, living, unforgettable. Seeing the bag is not enough. Owning
Heavy enough to know it is real. Light enough to carry all day, delivering practical luxury and weight reassurance.
Listen, that is not noise, that is assurance. The sound of a quality zipper is unmistakable. It is a continuous glide of brass on brass.
It remembers shape, like muscle, memory, showing durability, poetry, and material intelligence.
Supple enough to tie. Strong enough to hold a lifetime.
Brathers. Behind every stitch, a dedicated hand. Our workers are pride, delivering human.
14 days, 47 steps. One masterpiece delivering numeric respect and process transparency.
From farm to factory to forever.
$5,000, not for the leather, for the story, delivering value justification and price transparency.
The moment of ownership. This is what you paid for, delivering vicarious pleasure in this unboxing ritual. The anticipation, the reveal.
From Riyadh to Mumbai, the new emblem of regional luxury, delivering target market pride and regional identity.
Every hide, a byproduct of sustenance, zero waste, full respect, delivering eco-reassurance and ethical sourcing.
In 20 years, it will look better than today. Pass it down, delivering long-term bonding and heirloom promise.
The desert gives, the desert takes, but what we craft endures.
From farm to $5,000, now it is yours.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. These tips and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Veo 3, Meta, Grok, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not represent AI visual as real footage.